supporting them on this.
And one of the great friends of the show has now joined us on the couch, Phil Mickelson. Welcome back to the show. How are you doing?
Thank you. Things have been good. I've been feeling much better and excited to play some golf.
Right. Excited to play some golf for a brand new season. In the winter, you don't take off. You practice twice as hard.
I do. And this winter, I've been able to get back into my practice routine, my workout routine, and get ready for the start of this year. And with the Masters coming up, I'm excited to get right back at it.
Did anyone tell you should be worried about me because you are my favorite golfer?
Thanks, Gretchen.
Yeah, so
that's why I'm separating
It's a good thing there's separation between the two of us. Sunday afternoons, I'm pulling for Phil. But let's face it, American golfers are not in the top tiers right now. What's going on?
No, it's been an interesting world ranking. You know, the last year Tiger hasn't played his best. I've had some things going on. I haven't played my best, and we've had a lot of guys fighting for those top spots. And I think that we'll have a little bit of different guys up on top of the leaderboard this year, or the world rankings.
Phil, do you feel the pressure to be the top? You are the top American golfer right now. Rankings aside, do you feel that pressure now at 40?
I'm starting to, I want to take on that responsibility now. Last year, you know, I had some things that were going on that really didn't allow me to focus on capturing that #1 spot, even though it was in the forefront of everyone's mind. But this year, I feel like I'm getting ready to do that.
And when you talk about you had things on your mind, you're talking about your wife and mother breast cancer.
Yes, and they're in a much better place. You know, they've been going through treatment, and things are looking so much better. They detected it early, and we've been managing their treatment symptoms much better. And so, as a family, we're in a much better spot.
And let's also talk about something else you're dealing with, and that is you got a bit of arthritis.
Yeah, so last year I got diagnosed with psoriatic arthritis, and I'm laying in bed and not being able to move in June right after the U.S. Open, and I was a little bit worried, you know, what was going to go on, what was happening.
Did it go from 0 to 60 like that, where one day I felt great? And
it really did, and I had no clue what was going on, and so...
Because who's ever heard of psoriatic cancer? What is it?
No, arthritis.
Psoriatic arthritis, right.
Well, I didn't know much about it either, but I was experiencing intense joint pain. I couldn't move. And so I got fortunate because my doctor turned me on to a rheumatologist who diagnosed it early, and I was able to get a treatment plan in place right away. And so I've been able to manage my symptoms now, and I feel much better. But a lot of people don't have that opportunity. And like I was experiencing when I went through it, I didn't know what to do or what was going on. So what I did was I partnered with Amgen and Pfizer, and we created a website called OnCourseWithPhil.com. And what this does is it gives you a resource now to see if you're experiencing symptoms like I had with psoriatic arthritis, or rheumatoid arthritis, or plaque psoriasis. And this way, if you are experiencing some of those symptoms, you can then know that you need to go to a rheumatologist right away, because this is very treatable.
So golf is such a mental sport, and so here you are facing the situation with your wife, your mom, and then yourself. And I'm thinking back to this picture right here with your wife. That was such an emotional moment. Wasn't that the first time that she was able to come to a tournament after she had been ill?
It was the first time that she came, yes. And so she didn't follow around, but she was able to be there at the house for the week. And it was really an emotional time. And that was, again, before I got diagnosed. And it was really before she started doing much better. But we're in a very, like I say, we're very lucky because my mom and Amy are doing much better, and we're in a great place now, and as our family feels terrific, and my health is starting to get back on track.
And your beautiful kids, who, by the way, always come out dressed so wonderful. Look at this. And I always love to see if their hair is still curly when they come out there.
That melts me, Gretchen, to see that was in 2005, and to be able to see their development through our life as a family is really fun to look back and say, wow, I can't believe they were that young.
And Phil, just don't tell me you picked out those outfits, because I have 2 daughters. I'd be incapable of doing that. But Phil, I got to ask you, in the big picture, the ratings are going up, even though Tiger's really not in contention in golf for the first time in about a decade. Have you noticed that?
It has been exciting because we're getting a good core of young players to come on up. But I would expect that both Tiger and myself to start playing some good golf with the upcoming majors coming out.
All right. For people watching, once again, what's that website?
It's OnCourseWithPhil.com, and if you are experiencing joint pain like I did, where you just can't move, it's important that you get diagnosed early and get on a treatment plan early. And this website will give you the resources to see if you're experiencing something that needs a rheumatologist.
If we come up with a Fox and Friends grip for your clubs, would you use them during the match and not charge us?
That's an interesting question.
And I was just going to say, we're going to link your website to our website. I was going to keep it simple. And I was also going to mention that he's wearing his Masters green tie. So good luck.
That's right. I'm getting in the spirit.
Getting the game
Good luck
face.
when you go to the Masters.
Well, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you very
Best
much,
for your
Steve.
family.
Thanks for having me.
Great to see you.
Thanks.
He plays lefty, shakes righty. Who would have thought?
Yeah, there you go. All right, straight ahead on this Wednesday, when it comes to taxes, not everybody is equal. Up next is states who are taxed the most and where you can get a break. You're going to want to know this.
Plus, I think I'll take this one.
You don't mind.
Brides-to-be, listen up. Costco going to the chapel, the warehouse store getting into the wedding business now?
It's about time.
Holy
you have to
cow.
buy 7 wedding dresses.
Got to be a member to meet Mrs. Right.
I feel hungry.